Hello guys, welcome to Virgo Philippines. This is my reading para sa Virgo dealing with cancer. Pero syempre, pwede magkapalit-palit yung role dito. So, hindi na lang po ako magbabanggit ng zodiac sign. Pwedeng ikaw to Cancer. Pwedeng ikaw to Virgo, sorry. So, ito po ay ang reading ko para sa November hanggang December 2020 para sa mga Virgo dealing with cancer. So, start na po natin ang reading. Bahala ka na maglagay ng sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and also dun sa ating channel na isa pa which is the Unicorn Princess Tarot. Dun po sa iba't ibang sign na po ito. Ayun, I mean yung channel na yon. Etong channel na ito kasi concentrated sa mga Virgo. Pero syempre, subscribe nyo rin po kami dito kasi monthly po ako magta-try mag-reading para sa mga Virgo dealing with other signs. So, start na po natin. What do we have here for Virgo dealing with Cancer? Okay. So, your main energy, I mean, pwede magkapalit-palit yung role Pwedeng ikaw to Cancer, pwedeng ikaw to Virgo. So, kunin naman natin yung isa pang energy. So, yung isa pang energy na lumabas is the Four of Cups. So, let's see. Kukuha muna ako ng cards para sa deck na ito. What do we have here for Virgo dealing with Cancer? Virgo dealing with Cancer, please. Virgo dealing with Cancer. I feel like I need to shuffle. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So, we have here keep an open mind, attraction, and then one more card. Okay, very soon. And let's get the cards para dun sa mga ito, para ma-clarify yung mga nasa above cards. What do we have here for Virgo dealing with Cancer? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's get more cards. 3 more cards for Virgo dealing with Cancer para masimulan na po. Okay. Okay. For what I can see here, for some of you, I see a problem here with regards to money. This could be your person that you're dealing with na you feel like hindi kayo bagay or hindi kayo pwede kasi nga there's this problem with money. Kumbaga, I feel like langit siya or ikaw tong langit and then lupa itong person mo. Parang ganun yung scenario Yung person mo is currently facing financial troubles right now. Kumbaga, yung stability wala siya ngayon, medyo nahihirapan siya. And there's this stage na parang naghihintay siya, waiting siya para magkaroon ng pagbabago. I feel like sumusugal na nga siya just to have this money. Kasi parang feeling niya, ito yung magiging way niya para makapunta sa'yo kasi medyo mahirap kang abutin. Yun na nakikita ko dito. But for you, wala kang pakialam dito kasi you still want this offer. Pero you're thinking about the future. I feel like ito yung gusto mong mangyari, na gusto mong mag-offer siya sa'yo, kaya lang, yun nga, wala siyang may offer. But keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. For some of you, you're dealing with your soulmate. Kaya lang yun nga, ang scenario nyo, medyo langit ka, lupa siya. So, medyo nagkakaroon ng slight difference dito, especially with regards to, yun nga, sa status ng buhay. With the attraction, I feel like, although ganun yung sitwasyon nyo na medyo magkalayo kayo or medyo mahirap ang sitwasyon ninyo, there's a lot of attraction here. I feel like mahal na mahal mo itong taong to and then mahal na mahal ka lang niya. Kaya lang, there's this stage na medyo mahirap. Especially if you are, you have this plan of going abroad. For some of you, medyo aalis. There's a travel here na nakikita ko. So, maaaring very soon or malapit na you're planning or your family is planning for you na para makapunta ka sa abroad, para kunin ka na nila, doon ka na tumira. Yun yung nakukuha ko po. Pero with the Ten of Cups, I feel like although ganun nga, yung magiging scenario, may aalisan kang sitwasyon and you would have this new journey, syempre, masakit ito para sa'yo kasi meron kang iiwang tao at ito nga yung taong to na hindi naman magawa. Maaaring ngayon, yun yung isa sa ginagawa niya. Yung kumbaga, syempre, gusto niya magkaroon ng kayo, kaya lang, kailangan niya munang pag-focusan yung kanyang finances and yung kanyang stability. Dahil compare sa'yo, wala siyang maiaalok. Okay, although gusto kanyang mahawakan, gusto kanyang makasama, hindi ka naman niya kayang offera ng mas malaki pa sa, kumbaga maliit na offer lang ang kaya niya sa'yo. At yun yung pagmamahal, which is hindi naman kaya or hindi naman pwede na yun lang. So, let's see, what do we have here for Virgo dealing with Cancer? What do we have here for Virgo dealing with Cancer? I will not take this. Okay, we have here the Death, King of Pentacles. Okay. Two of Swords. King of Cups. Okay. We have here the Chariot and the High Priest. Okay. I feel like you have no choice. Although may pagmamahal ka dito sa taong to, you have no choice. Aalis at aalis ka pa rin. I-chase mo pa rin ito. I mean, not chase, pero pupunta ka pa rin kung saan yung tama. Kung ano yung sinasabi sa'yo, especially if there are elderly involved here, kung may mga magulang ka pa, they are the one telling you na you have to travel, you have to go abroad, ganyan, or you have to transfer, or basta something to do with traveling. So, yun yung may nagsasabi sa'yo nun, and yun yung gagawin mo. Pwedeng wala ha, pwedeng intuition mo or yung sarili mo ang nagsasabi sa'yo na you have to travel, or yun nga, pwedeng may kinalaman sa work. Pero there's a lot of traveling here. Pero although malaki yung pagmamahal mo sa taong to, mas pinipili mo pa rin itong mag-travel. Why? Kasi for what I can see here with the Two of Swords, I feel like meron ding choices na kailangan gawin dito. And I feel like yung person mo is hindi makapag-decide, hindi makagawa ng choices. Especially if it has something to do with, you're waiting for your person na bigyan ka ng offer. Kaya lang, wala naman siyang may offer sa'yo. And for the waiting stage here, I'm feeling like matatapos din itong paghihintay nitong person mo. Okay? Why? Let's ask. Bakit matatapos yung paghihintay? Okay. Oh. Okay. For some of you, may kinalaman sa business. I mean, there's this person na magaling sa negosyo or magaling sa sales talk or, mas nagko-concentrated sa goals niya. Sa goals. Okay. Okay. For some of you, you're dealing with your karma. Alam mo kung ano yung karma mo? Yung karma mo ay yung mawalay dito sa taong to. For some of you, pwede kasing yung person mo is already married. Or maaaring yun yung nagiging balakid. Kung hindi pera yung nagiging balakid dito, maaaring there's someone here na parang married na yung situation. Kaya mas pinipili mo na lang mag-travel abroad or umalis or lumayo. Kasi nga, pwedeng yung person mo is already committed. Pwedeng ganun yung nagiging scenario. But for what I can see here with the Ace of Swords, I feel like, pag lumapit ka dito sa person na to, masasaktan ka lang eh. Okay? So, that's why, pwedeng baliktad pwedeng ikaw tong lalapit or pwedeng siya yung lalapit sa'yo na masasaktan lang siya. That's why parang ang mas concentrated niya ngayon is yung finances niya. Mas magfo-focus siya ngayon, lalo na kung ito nagiging main problems niya. For some of you, I feel like parang meron ditong nahihirapan magbayad ng upa sa bahay. And yun ang nagiging mas focus niya ngayon. And with the Page of Cups, I see an offer here. Pero, let's see, what is the offer all about? I would like to clarify the Page of Cups. Okay. The offer is all about wishy-washy, parang ganon. Hindi mo masabi there's an offer here, pero walang kasiguraduhan. Okay, yun yung nakikita ko. Okay? Maaaring sinabi sa'yo ng person mo, hintayin mo ako, ganto ganyan, marami akong pagtatapusin ko lang to, pero walang kasiguraduhan. Yung offer maaaring sabihin sa'yo or sinabi na. For some of you, pwedeng sinabi na. For some of you, pwedeng wala pang kasiguraduhan kasi pwedeng yung offer is regarding ako ba o yung pamilya mo, parang ganon. And then parang sinabi niya sa'yo, ikaw, pero walang kasiguraduhan, di ba? And with the Eight of Swords, I feel like you feel trapped, or you feel like ikaw tong nagbablock, or I feel like parang kino-cover mo na yung sarili mo, ayaw mo na masaktan, pwedeng binlock mo na itong taong to, or binablock mo na yung sarili mo para dito sa taong to. Although may pagmamahal dito, although there's attraction here, I feel like, there's still separation here. So, magkakahiwalay at magkakahiwalay kayo ng person mo. Kasi nga, mas pipiliin mo na lumayo sa kanya. With the karma here, I feel like this is your karma. Not this person, hindi itong person nito. Ang karma mo ay yung malayo dito sa taong to. Kasi, for what I can see here, kahit ilang years ang dumaan, siya at siya pa rin. So, thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Okay, I would like to get cards for you. Let's, 3 more cards. For Cancer and Virgo, please. Pwedeng ikaw to Virgo, pwedeng ikaw to Cancer, ha? Kuhanin mo na lang kung ano magre-resonate. You deserve love, calling in your soulmate, release your ex. Okay. For what I can see here, yes, you're doing the right thing to do kung ngayon, kung ikaw itong lumalayo. Why? You deserve love. Maaaring hindi kayang ibigay ng person mo itong pagmamahal na to, especially if this is the person na already committed or in a family situation na. Why? Kasi for what I can see here, yeah, you might be dealing with your soulmate. Pwedeng, pwedeng this is your soulmate for some of you. Kaya lang already committed. Okay. But your prayers and affirmation and visualization help bring you together. Kailangan mo lang ipagdasal. Release your ex. This time has come to clear your energy. This is what you're doing right now. You're releasing this person. You're releasing this person. Kung hindi pa nangyayari, ito yung mangyayari, possible na mangyari ngayong November to December. May pagkakahiwala yan na mangyayari dito. Why? Kasi you feel like you deserve love. One last card. Let your friends help you. For whatever you are going through right now, ipagdasal mo. Not only that, also ask for people to help you. Okay? So, especially your friends. Ask for help. Advices, ganyan. Kasi sa ngayon, ang nakikita ko, medyo may kalabuan pa. So, maaari pa namang magbago to. So, thank you for watching. I hope makaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, at saka dito po sa Virgo Philippines. And maraming salamat po.